Today's lesson video, we are going to look at Chemistry 1501, October 2018, question 5.2. Let us start. This question is based on empirical formula. There is a lesson video based on the basics of this type of a question. So you're just going to answer the question. Question 5.2. Mark allocation is 6 marks. A compound containing carbon, hydrogen, and chlorine only was found to have a composition of 71.65% of chlorine and 24.27% of carbon. We can see that we are not given the composition of hydrogen, but we can work it out. The question says determine the empirical formula for this compound. Now we can tabulate this. We have carbon, hydrogen, and chlorine. Now we know that the composition, when we add the composition, they must add up to 100%. So since we have the two compositions, we can formulate an equation to say 71.65% plus 24.27% plus x is equals to 100%. So solving for x, we have x is equals to 100 minus 71.65 minus 24.27. We are going to get our x as 4.08%. So we actually have 4.07% of hydrogen. We have 71.65% of chlorine. Then we have 24.27% of carbon. Now we know that we have those steps. The first step, we must calculate or actually convert from percents to grams. So 24.29% is the same as 24.29 grams. So you can go ahead and calculate the number of moles, which is 24.29 divided by the molar mass of carbon, 12. N is equals to the molar mass, actually the mass is 4.07 divided by 1. Then for chlorine we have 71.65 divided by 35.5. Our number of moles, we have 2.024 mole. Then we have 4.07 mole. Then we have 2.018 mole. So we divide by the smallest. You can see the smallest is this one. So here we're going to have 1. Here we're going to have 2.017. Or we can quickly round this off to the nearest, which is simply 2. It's 2 mole, which is also 1 mole here. Then we can conclude that the empirical formula is C1H2Cl. This is our final answer. That's it for this lesson video. This is Bahula SJ. Thank you very much.